Hello everyone! Are you wondering what is the best way to wash apples? Let's explore. Washing apples properly is crucial to remove pesticides, bacteria, and dirt. The most effective way to wash apples is to use cold running water. Scrub the apples gently with your hands to remove surface residues. Using a produce brush can help clean the skin more thoroughly, especially if the apples have a waxy coating. Avoid using soap or detergents, as they can leave harmful residues on the fruit. For added cleanliness, you can soak the apples in a mixture of water and vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water and soak the apples for about 15 minutes, then rinse them under cold running water. Another method is to use a baking soda solution. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and scrub the apples with this solution. Rinse thoroughly with cold water to ensure all baking soda is removed. Dry the apples with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any remaining moisture. Properly washed apples are safer to eat and more enjoyable. The best way to wash apples is by scrubbing them under cold running water, using a produce brush if needed. Avoid soap, use a vinegar water soak or a baking soda solution for thorough cleaning. Rinse well and dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.